Hello friends, welcome to Steno Aspirants. Be ready? Start. Trees are our best friends because they clean the air we breathe. Likewise, they also clean the water and soil and ultimately make the earth a better place. It is also a fact that people who live near trees are healthier, fit, and happier than people who do not. Moreover, it is our responsibility to look after our friends who serve us in many ways. Most importantly, by saving plants, we are not doing any favor to plants but to ourselves only. Because trees and plants' life does not depend on us but our lives depend on them. Trees are important to us in a lot of ways and we cannot ignore their importance. They are important because they give us fresh air to breathe, food to eat, and shelter from sunlight and rainfall. Besides this, there are many medicines in the market that are made up of trees extracts. Apart from this, there are plants and trees that have medicinal value. They bring peacefulness, create a pleasing and relaxing environment. Also, they help in reflecting the harmful rays of the sun and maintaining a balanced temperature. Besides, they also help in water conservation and preventing soil erosion. They also manage the ecosystem, and from ancient times, several varieties of plants are worshipped. Trees provide us many benefits, some of which we cannot see but they make a huge difference. They help in fighting back the climate changes by absorbing greenhouse gases, which are the main cause of climate change. Moreover, they replenish groundwater and filter the air from harmful pollutants and odors. Besides, they are a great source of food and the king of fruits, mango, also grow on trees. Moreover, they are the cause of rainfall as they attract clouds towards the surface and make them rain. They can be teachers, playmates, and a great example of unity in diversity. Above all, they are a good source of reducing air, water, and noise pollution. When a seed of a plant or tree grow, it makes the area around it greener. Also, it supports many life forms. Birds make their nests, many reptiles and animals live on it or near it. Besides all these many beautiful flowers, food growing on it. Moreover, many parts of trees such as roots, leaves, stem, flower, seeds are also edible. Most importantly, they never ask anything in return for their services and the gifts they give. Trees also keep the balance in the ecosystem and ecology. Trees intakes carbon dioxide from air and breathe out fresh oxygen for our life support. This cycle is made by nature to sustain other living beings. Further, the carbon dioxide breathed in by the trees is one of the greenhouse gases. This and other greenhouse gases, when released into the atmosphere, form a layer and trap the heat from the sun. They result in an increase in the atmospheric temperature. This causes global warming. So, planting more trees will clean the air, will reduce the global warming effect. Trees contribute to a rich, healthy ecosystem. Animals, insects, birds, and fungi make their home in the trees and make a diverse ecosystem. This balanced environment in turn contributes to the betterment of human beings. Trees produce their own food and are found at the bottom of the food chain. They produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis and contribute significantly to the whole ecosystem. Further, trees are a rich source of medicines that are used to heal our diseases in a natural way as done Ayurveda. Trees receive the rainwater and hold them in the land. This prevents clean water from flood waters for some time before slowly releasing them into the earth and atmosphere. So they maintain the water base of an area and provides us with a water bed. The root system of the trees is so well made by nature that it holds the soil underground from getting washed away during rain and flood, thus prevents landslides and soil erosion. Trees provide clean air, water, and food to us. Its greenery and freshness also act as a stress reliever for us. It gives a positive vibration in the atmosphere. Trees also provide cool shades during summers and during rains. Children also develop good memory when surrounded by green trees. Patients recover easily when comes in contact with greenery. There are a lot more things that tree provides us for better life. Trees produce fruits, medicine, which are exported in many countries, thus helping in economic growth. Cultivating trees and selling their product helps people earn their living. Trees provide wood and paper. It also acts as a natural cooler in summer, thus reducing AC bills and keeping the environment natural. Trees have a lot of importance in our lives and it provides seamless service for the environment. We have somehow not protected them, and perhaps that is why, as on today, we are being affected by global warming, severe pollution, and other ill effects of deforestation. Trees should be treated and nurtured nicely so that human beings can survive on this planet. We should encourage others to plant more and more trees. It is for our own betterment, and the sooner we understand this, the better it is for us. To conclude, we can say that trees are very important and beneficial for every life form on earth. Without them, the survival of life on earth will become difficult, and after some time, every species starts to die because of lack of oxygen on the planet. So, to save our lives and to survive, we have to learn the importance of trees and also have to teach our children the importance of trees. Stop. Thank you.